Once you build that building, like if I'm a doctor, you got to operate every day. You got to go to work every day to make the same money. Whether you make $100,000 or $1 million a year, you got to go to work every day to make that same $1 million. Well, you get a building that makes $1 million a year to you, you're done. That building's going to keep working for you. And then you go to the next one. An old friend of mine who told me the story that his father told him, who was a pullman on the train. And he said, your money can, work harder and better than you. Your money doesn't get tired, doesn't get sick, doesn't fall in love, doesn't get divorced. It just keeps working, right? And so use your money to work for you. And that's what real estate does, is it uses its money to work for you. So anyway, going back to about my legacy, I want it to be that I want to be remembered as a person who showed what the possibilities are to other people, and who invested in other people to give them an opportunity to pursue a better life and use business as a tool of transformation.